Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today I've got a Daikin multisplit air conditioner, leaking refrigerant free R410a. In these particular models, the machines use a reduction of 5/8 to 1/2 inch and 1/2 to 3/8 in the nut, and they always crack. The best thing to do in this case is to braze a piece of copper from 5/8 to 1/2 inch. So if I do that, I won't come back here for the same problem in the future. What should be done is to recover all refrigerant, wait to know how much refrigerant has been lost due to leakage. Only then we will know if it's possible to complete charge or to do a full charge. Super simple. Massive thanks for everyone.